Welcome to Everything Currency. I'm your host Jay, and today I got a new video for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me to show them how to buy altcoins or other coins and tokens besides Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litcoin, which are the coins you get on Coinbase. Since Coinbase is like the easiest one to use, it's basically where everybody kind of gets stuck at. So real quick, what you would do is you can buy some coins buy some Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin, whichever one you want to buy. Right now I'll show you guys how to buy with Bitcoin. And basically what you would do is buy some coins with your account. Use Coinbase, Gemini, whatever exchange you want to do. Then once you go to CoinMarketCap, you can pick, when you find the coin that you want to buy. So right now I'm actually going to buy some coins so I can show you guys, and it's basically the same however you do it. So right now I'm going to buy some of this coin, Utrust. I've been looking at this project for a minute. It's a pretty good project. You guys should check it out. But it's going to be another way that you can convert your money back to fiat currency. You can buy other coins, different stuff like that. It's going to be real user friendly, so check that out. But basically I'm going to search for the coin that I want to buy. It's UTK Utrust. It's at 48 cents. So what you want to do is click on the market. Come right here, click on the markets. This is going to be all the exchanges that you can buy it at, that you can buy Utrust token. So, and you can buy right here with Ethereum, you can buy with Tether, Bitcoin Cash, or Ether. And then you can see the price on each exchange. Price will be different on whatever exchange you go on. This is just an average. So basically I'm gonna use Kucoin exchange, which is a pretty cool exchange. Just got on it. It's not the only exchange I'm on. My bad, hit the mic, but it's not the only exchange to use, but it's a cool one. Check it out. But yeah, basically click on the exchange and it should pop up right here. Go to the website. So you have to buy your coins on exchange. What you would do is make an account, sign in. Once you sign in, go to your assets, and you have to deposit your coins that you bought either on Coinbase or Gemini, whatever exchange you use. Deposit your Bitcoin to this wallet. What you do is go to deposit, click which coin you want to add. Right now it's Bitcoin, and then this is your wallet address. When you go to Coinbase and you go to accounts and you go to send your Bitcoin, I don't have any in here so I can't send, but when you go to send your Bitcoin, this is the address that you're going to send it to, and then it'll show up right here in your wallet. So right now I have a tiny bit, 37 bucks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the markets, and then this is all the coins that are on this exchange. They got Ripple, they got ETHLend, they got Roblox, Dent, some of the good ones, Dragon Chain, Oyster Pearl. Basically find the coin you want. I'm gonna go right here, UTK. Now it's gonna bring you here. This is where everybody kind of gets scared. They're like, whoa, what is all this? So basically this is your chart, the price chart. You can see the price in Satoshi, that the price is at right now. So anyways, what you want to do, put your two-step verification. Let me do this. Now, it's pretty much the same on any exchange, whether if you sign up for Binance or Bittrex or you know, Gemini next, whatever. This is what it's gonna look like. These are the order books right here. This is sales going down. So basically what you need to do, so I got right here the best price, 47 cents, and the max I could buy with this amount of Bitcoin is 79.4. So you could pick whatever amount you want to buy. If I want to buy less right here, this one's cool because it lets you pick. You can pick, you know, 50% of whatever you have in there, or 25%, whatever. But say I just wanted to buy 10, you can just go right here and type 10. It's gonna cost this much. Hit buy. And yeah, once you hit buy, that's it, you bought it. So let me see, I'll probably buy 50% of what I have in there. Let's see, make sure that's right. Yep, hit buy. Boom, then the order has been placed. There we go, it's done. Sold that quick. So I bought 40. Okay, that's how you buy other coins. Just to show you guys again, since we're only working with like $13 in Bitcoin, do that one more time. So as you can see, this is my first time buying on Kucoin, but it's basically the same on every exchange. You just pick what's cool about this exchange is you get to pick a percentage. You could, you know, basically just say I want to buy, you know, 50% of my Bitcoin or whatever. So some of the other ones that I was looking at, for example, which one's down right now? Substratum. It's at $1, which is crazy. And I don't even know if this is a good time to get in, but I'm just showing you guys. Basically go right here. I'm gonna click the best price, go to the amount. Right now I'm just gonna do the max of this Bitcoin. It's gonna be 16. Just hit buy. Order has been placed. Boom, bottom. Then once you go back to Kucoin, you go to your assets, you should see the coins that you have. Let me see, where's it at? Filter it, there we go. I got 40 UTK, got 16 Substratum, and a penny in Bitcoin, 54 Satoshis. So that's how you buy coins. That's how you buy other coins. Yeah, I'm just gonna, this is just to show you guys, I'm gonna buy more of these coins. These are already coins that I was looking at. Make sure you know, do your due diligence and see which coins you want to buy. So yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, let me know if you guys have any questions. Yeah, till next time, peace.